Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Equipment Marketing. Today we're going to give you a nice new video of a brand new Manitou TMM45 four-way. This thing has a tall 12-foot mast, four-way. Now you get a factory warranty from the day you buy it for 2 years or 2,000 hours. Everything is brand new. Just look at this. You have yourself pallet forks. You have yourself, everything's looking great here. I mean, there's just not much to say. It's brand new. You got joystick control for backward and forward. Your lever controls for your mast operations. This thing is really tight. Now let's take a look. You got your mirrors on here. Look at your Kubota engine. We're going to go ahead and fire it up here. A little operation now. This video is going to represent two of them. There's a 24 and a 23. Other than that, they're identical units. So here's your Kubota coming to life. We're going to show you some mast operations. Tilt. Side shift. Baby is a speedy unit. Got your seatbelt fastened. Okay. Now I'll show you the four-way operations. You can take long material through short areas, through narrow areas with this baby. Fully steerable. Now you're back into two-way. We're just learning to run this baby, but it runs great. Fast moving, get your job done for you quickly. You give us a call at 260-238-4998. You can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com. Remember, you got yourself a factory warranty from the day you bought it for 2 years or 2,000 miles. I want to thank you for watching this video. You can give us a call at 260-238-4998, or you can check us out on the web. Thanks for watching this video.